Hello learners, this is Ma'am Manaois-Rosario. Welcome to the world of science. For our first lesson, we will discuss about the distribution of active volcanoes, earthquake epicenters, and major mountain ranges. So after this lesson, you are expected to describe and relate the distribution of active volcanoes, earthquake epicenters, and major mountain ranges to plate tectonics. Have you ever wondered how these geologic features form? Well, if your answer is yes, this lesson will help you find answer to your question. But before that, let's study first the Earth's lithosphere. The lithosphere consists of crust and the upper portion of the mantle.
In this lesson, we will focus on the outermost layer, which is the crust. The crust is made of a variety of solid rocks like sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. It has an average density of 2.8 grams per cubic centimeter, with thickness ranges from 5 to 50 kilometers.
The figure shows two types of crust, the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Based on the figure, can you tell the differences between the two crusts? Let's check your answer. The oceanic crust is thinner but denser. Its thickness ranges from 5 to 10 kilometers or 3 to 6 miles. It is made mostly of basalt and younger rocks. The continental crust is thicker but less dense. Its thickness ranges from 30 to 50 kilometers or 20 to 30 miles. It is made mostly of granite and older rocks. According to the plate tectonics model, the entire lithosphere of the Earth is broken into numerous segments called plates. What makes this map different from a regular world map? And what do these broad lines represent? The map shows that the lithosphere is broken into segments called plates. These plates move very slowly but constantly, and this movement is called tectonics. The broad lines represent the plate boundaries. What do you think are the bases of the scientists in dividing the lithosphere in such manner? Let's figure it out by examining the following maps. This figure shows the distribution of major earthquake epicenters. How are earthquakes distributed on the map? Are they randomly distributed over the Earth's surface? If your answer is no, you're correct. They tend to be concentrated in narrow zones or along the edges of some continents. This figure shows the distribution of active volcanoes. How are volcanoes distributed on the map? Are they randomly distributed over the Earth's surface? If your answer is no, you got it. Majority of them are found along the edges of some continents. This figure shows the distribution of mountain ranges. How will you relate the distribution of mountain ranges with the distribution of the earthquake epicenters and volcanoes? Mountain ranges are found in places where volcanoes and earthquake epicenters are also located. Based on the three maps, can you tell the basis of the scientists in dividing Earth's lithosphere into several plates? The places on Earth where most of the earthquakes originated or some mountains and volcanoes were formed mark the boundaries of each lithospheric plate. To summarize what you have learned, answer the following questions. True or false? Crust is the outer portion of the Earth. The answer is true. Very good. True or false? Lithospheres consist of crust and lower portion of the mantle. The answer is false. You're correct. True or false? Continental crust is thicker but denser than the oceanic crust. The answer is false. You're correct. What are the two types of crust? The answer is continental and oceanic crust. You got it. What do you call the numerous segments or rigid sections of the lithosphere that move as a single unit as it floats above the mantle? The answer is plates or lithospheric plates. You're right. As the plates interact along the margins, what are some of the important geological processes could take place? The answer is the formation of earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain ranges. Very good. Excellent. You got it all.